Welcome to our Goodwill broker account login tutorial. Let's get started. First, go to the sidebar of your dashboard. You'll find the broker login. Click on the Goodwill logo. Enter user ID. Enter password. Enter TOTP. If you don't have, then generate TOTP with this website. Enter your user ID and password. Click on Get OTP. You will get OTP on your registered mobile number or email ID. Enter OTP login. Here you can see this QR code. For generating TOTP, download the Google Authenticator from the Play Store. Scan this barcode. Or you can set up a key. Enter the account name. Copy this key and paste here. And make sure that type of key is time-based. Then click on Add. Now your TOTP will generate it for 30 seconds. Enter the TOTP here and click on Login. Once you submit the login button, you will get confirmation through a pop-up message, Broker login successfully. Your broker status will be converted from offline to online. This means that your broker login is now complete. If you have any questions or need further assistance during this process, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching.